your words and a press conference. What is the message that you want to convey through this press conference, sir?
ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನವ್ರು ಅಂತಪ್ಪ ಇವರು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ನಡದವ್ರು ಇರಯ್ಯ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ತಡಿಯ.
Okay, sir, please tell us what is the message that you want to convey through this press conference.
This is the survey which we have conducted in Karnataka since 1930. After 1931, this socio-economic survey is not conducted in the India. Mr. Siddaramaiah ji has appointed the committee, backward class permanent committee. He has given opportunity, giving 160,000 rupees and with a clear mandate for them. They have 1,60,000 people have conducted the survey. Door-to-door survey has been conducted with the 55 questionnaire. It has completed and it is tabulated by BEL and it has been submitted to the government. Siddaramaiah ji and D.K. Shivakumar they have accepted it. We are pressurizing it to release to the people and it must be taken into consideration because the Supreme Court has questioned us how you are giving the socio-economic programs to the people. What is data you are having with you? This is the basic data we are getting. Through this we are going to give program to the people.
But sir, the thing is, sir, that there is so much resentment, sir, that we see that different communities are reacting on it.
Yeah.
None of appear to be very much satisfied with the data.
Yes, sir. Even
Pardon?
Sir, a lot of communities like Lingayat, Vokkaliga, all of them are against this caste.
They are not.
Separate surveys.
Yeah.
One minute. This type of survey never had in Karnataka. This is the survey first time we have conducted. That too with, I have already told you, with the 1,60,000 people. They are not Vokkaliga, Lingayat, Kurba or Harijan. It is the people of Karnataka who have conducted. That too educated teachers and all. Those people, they would do all nonsense here. They have done their work satisfactorily. How can we question them, their job? It is the DCs are the supervisors and it is announced in 2-3 times in media and also we have given sufficient time for everybody and if they have got any objection, let them give it to the next commission or before they present this thing also. This is not the judgment, this is just a commission report.
Sir, if
It
we
has
see this survey in the light of Congress party, which says that every community should get stay, whatever their percentage is. So in that context, these kind of opinions like Lingayats are not satisfied, Vokkaliga says it is not complete.
those two communities only are not in Karnataka. There are 100 communities in Karnataka. They will say the report.
Sir, finally, sir, do you just back this entire report? It is 10 years old right now. Do you feel all the numbers in the report are absolutely correct?
One thing we won't say it is 100%, but the survey is conducted 2015 based on the central survey of 2011. That time what was our population? Our population was 6 crore and 5,000 or something. Now how much it has gone? Every 2% is expression is always there. The basic this thing we will got. There are so many unrepresented communities have come up this time. Social survey means only, sample survey means only some people will come in that. But this is house to house survey we have conducted. In that we are getting more information.
This is going to be a very crucial meeting, sir. So
I don't say it is a crucial meeting, it is a cabinet meeting.
definitely, a decision will be taken on this.
Definitely I hope because those two communities we are requesting them also without backward class they won't come in politics also. That I should not say, but I must say them also. Inclusive communities or inclusive progress is always important. With one community, no political party will win.
Finally, if it's not 100%, then shouldn't
I
there be a
already
fresh
told you, no.
survey? If it's not 100%, shouldn't there be a fresh survey then?
How can it be? A Bhagavanta, Brahma should not do also. If Brahma comes to earth, he can't do.
First of all, this is not a caste census. It is a socio-educational survey conducted by Kantaraj and Jayaprakash Hegde has submitted the report to the government of Karnataka. We are the people. We are the people who demanded for the survey to be placed in the cabinet for quite some time. I was also a part of it. So I welcome the move of Siddaramaiah Saab placing the report before the cabinet. Let us wait for the cabinet to take a decision on this. Yesterday, what I reacted was on the matter of Yadavs and Golla community. That was based on the media reports. If the media reports are true, and if there is a differences in the community, subcaste of the community, I have demanded the Chief Minister to set it right. So I stand by that stand as on today. So we only look forward to the Chief Minister and the Cabinet Minister to take a proactive step towards this to resolve the issues which is pending for quite some time, because from 1931 there was no permanent backward class commission had taken a report of in the state of Karnataka as such. Now all these year reservations were done on the sample surveys. Now on the permanent data, empirical data, we are going to make the reservations or the facilities or the policies and programs depend on the empirical data available as such. If any modifications, any requirements and any deficiencies are there, that can be addressed with the cabinet, and the cabinet will take a proactive step on that. And definitely I go by the government decision on this matter.
Sir, so then how do you see the statements being made within the party itself? Many say that there should be a fresh census. Some even say that they will carry out.
This is we are in a democratic setup. We are in a democratic setup today. People can make their opinions. Ultimately, the cabinet will take a decision as per the law of this nation. Thank you.